In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link ChatGPT with Gmail or Google Calendar. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's jump right into it. Are you tired of constantly switching tabs between ChatGPT and Gmail? Well, guess what? You don't have to do that anymore. In just under 3 minutes, I'll show you how to integrate both platforms so you can enjoy a seamless experience right within your Gmail and Google Calendar. Let's get started with step 1. First, open up your Gmail account. You'll want to look in the lower right corner of the interface. You should see a 3-dotted icon. Click on that icon to expand the menu options. This is where the magic begins. Now, once the menu is open, you're going to select Get Add-ons. This option will lead you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is full of various tools to enhance your Gmail experience. Moving on to step 3, you'll be greeted by a search bar at the top of the add-ons page. In that search bar, simply type in ChatGPT. Make sure you spell it correctly so you can find exactly what you're looking for. A list of results will pop up shortly after you hit Enter. In step 4, you will see the add-on for WorkGPT among the search results. WorkGPT is specifically designed to integrate ChatGPT into your email and calendar. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a page that explains what WorkGPT offers and how it can enhance your productivity. Next, in step 5, towards the top right corner of the WorkGPT page, you will see an Install button. Click that and follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to grant certain permissions to allow the add-on to function properly. It's a straightforward process, and you can rest assured that this is a standard procedure for add-ons in Gmail. Once the installation is complete, we'll move on to step 6. At this point, you can click Done to close the installation window. Congratulations! You've successfully installed WorkGPT. Now, for the final step. Open either a new email or your Google Calendar. Look for the WorkGPT sidebar, which should now be visible on your screen. This is where you can start utilizing ChatGPT features directly. You can ask it questions, get writing assistance for your emails, or even set reminders in your calendar, all without ever leaving the page. It's an incredible tool that can really streamline your workflow. Now, if you have any feedback about this process, or if you encounter any inaccuracies while following along, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below the video. We love to hear your thoughts and are always eager to improve our content. If something didn't work as intended, or if you have suggestions on what we should cover next, we'll do our best to answer your comments or even redo the video if needed. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and that integrating ChatGPT into your Gmail and Google Calendar will boost your productivity. Remember, everything we've discussed today will help eliminate the back and forth tabs and allow you to enrich your communications effortlessly. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video helpful and hit that like button. Happy emailing, and see you in the next video.